with a proper management system and safety environmental principle, it will lead to the more successful organization. So that's why I'm from HeXaStone Construction Sidang Berhad, inviting this four of the consultant team to explain with our company about the quality management system, time management quality, safety environmental, the current challenges, and if by right, you guys can propose a new kind of things. So, without wasting a lot of time, let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Ashraf, and also can I have introduction for this all four of the consultant team? Can I start from left to right?
Okay, first of all, thank you for inviting us in this podcast. First of all, my name is Darren.
My name is Kevin.
My name is Kunal Osman.
And my name is Muhammad Nazrullah.
Okay, thank you for the introduction. So, we will start with the quality management system. So, as I know, quality management system is where we produce one material that can satisfy the customer continuously. So with this thing, there are actually a few of components that need to be tackled on. So may I know if you guys have a idea on what is the component for the quality management system?
Alright, so for the first components for the quality management is we have quality policy. So for my suggestions, HeXaStone Construction Sidang Berhad, you guys should reflect top management commitment to delivering projects that meet client requirements, statutory regulations, and industry standards. So this policy should emphasize compliance with the CIDB requirements, continual improvements, customer satisfaction, and prevention of defects. This policy also must be communicated to all your employees, the subcontractors and suppliers, and reviewed periodically to ensure relevance to project objectives.
Let me add on to that. We also, for the quality management system, next is the project quality plan, which we can short form for BQP. The BQP is a very important thing in the QMS because it explains how quality will be managed for a specific project. It sets score of at least integrity, at least 80%. It sets quality targets such as achieving a QRC score of at least 80%. It also clearly states who is responsible for the inspection, approvals, and the supervision. The BQP includes inspection and test plan for major works like concrete, structural works, finishes, and NE works. This helps control quality from the beginning until the project completion.
Thank you for that. So now we know that for the component for the quality management system is the quality policy and the BQP, which is it really tackle on the classics.
Yes.
Yeah. So any other component that need to be added on?
There's one. The other one is called quality manual. So quality manual, these documents, So the quality manual documents the overall KMS framework which adopted by HeXaStone Construction. It aligns with ISO 9001 principles that includes organizational structure and authority, SOPs, control of documents and records, and also internal audits and management reviews. The quality manual provides a systematic approach to quality management and to ensure uniform practice across all platforms. That's all.
Oh, so you are talking about the ISO 9001. This was a good point where it really contributed to the quality manual, Kevin. So how about you, Mayan?
So basically, the last but not least is QAQC procedures and activity, which is QA stands for quality assurance, which is focused on preventive measures like training, method statements, process standardization, while QC stands for quality control. Quality control is usually focused on inspection, testing, and verification of works. So the effective of both of these procedures it is to reduce rework, like minimize defects and improve project efficiency. So furthermore, regular site inspection also like material testing and compliance check ensure that construction outputs meet specification and regulatory standards. So I think to sum up all the main points for this quality management system is that's all. You may continue your parts.
Yeah, I see that your point is very good, where you are clearly tackle on your point, which is it can minimize defect, improve project efficiency. So we from the HeXaStone will take note on that. Yeah. So let's move on to the other segment, which is the time quality management and PDCA cycle. So yeah, from my perspective, that time quality management is where it is actually a framework to ensure the quality of the certain things. So yes, like before, I need explanation from four of you about the quality total quality management. So which one of you can start and can give the explanation on that?
Let me give you a question. The total quality measurement in construction project, TQM means focusing on client satisfaction, strong leadership from the management, and active involvement from workers and supervisors. When workers understand the importance of quality, they are more careful in their work and will take pride in what they do in their project. Another important thing for TQM is the PDCA cycle, which stands for plan, do, check, and act. During the planning stage, quality objectives, method statement, and inspection plans are prepared in the to-do stage. Construction works are carried out according to approved drawings and procedures. In the checking stage, inspection and tests are conducted to ensure that the work meets all the requirements. And finally, in the acting stage, any problems identified are corrected and improvement will be made. These cycles help improve quality continuously throughout the project.
So I see that you are really explaining on the concept, how TQM concept applicable to the project, where the workers need to understand what is the TQM is, and you are also explaining on the PDCA cycle implementation, where we need to do a checklist. So now we will move forward to our third segment. So it is a safety and health management principle. So basically, we know that safety and health management principle in construction industry is really important. It's play a vital role where it really contribute to someone's life. So let me identify first from my perspective that in the safety management, safety and health management principle, we have a major construction hazard. It includes the example of working at heights, which is people will fall from the height, people will fall from the scaffolding when doing construction industry, or people will use the heavy machinery equipment operation. It's all of them. All of these things is the hazard things lah. Then may I know, is it any others principle that we need to focus on for the safety and environmental?
So, what you guys need to do is you need to just
others from my identification of the hazard from the safety environmental. So, can I know more about the safety environmental help from you guys?
Alright, so what you guys need to know is the safety and health management plan should comply with the OSHA 1994 and DOSH requirements. So in this plan, it includes the hazard identification, risk assessment and risk control known as HeRAC. Then we have the PASWP, which is safe works procedures. We have the permits to work system for high risk activities, the emergency response and accident reporting procedures, and lastly is the regular toolbox meeting and safety training before the construction work starts.
I see that you are mentioning about the OSHA 84, DOSH requirement, and also the hazard identification, risk assessment, and risk control, which is HeRAC. Now, how about you? But if you have anything to add for the safety, safe and healthy environmental?
So basically, based on the point that Nasir Rizal has explained, is the establishment of safety culture. Safety culture is important that has a positive by building through leadership commitment, workers participation, continuous training and enforcement of safety rules. So visible management involvement in and consistent communication reinforce safety awareness on site. So I think it's all for this segment. You may continue.
So now we move to our second last segment, which is the challenges in the current practice. So we also from the HeXaStone construction center Berhad need to know the challenges that happen in the current practice. So may I have someone to volunteer on what is the challenges for the better quality management, safety management in the construction? It will lead to the more successful proper management system and the safety environmental visible. It will lead to the successful of the certain organization. So that's why today I'm one of the colleagues from HeXaStone. So now we are going to move to the second last segment, which is the challenges in the current practice. So we know we from HeXaStone Construction Center Berhad need to know what is the current challenges in the current practice. Moving forward to the challenges in the current practice. So for these challenges in current practice, we from HeXaStone Construction Center Berhad really needs to know what is the challenges from the consulting team. So may I have someone to volunteer on and explaining about the challenges?
For my experience, the most often challenges that we face is the drawing and control limitations. So the drawing is outdated drawings on site, and it is poor versions to control and delay approvals. So these issues led to rework and quality defects, and it also caused the delay in the project.
So we from the HeXaStone will take note on that challenges. So lastly, we want to ask about the practical solution for improving the quality and safety. So Kevin Joshua, can I know what is the practical solution that you want to give to our company?
Okay, well, thank you for asking. So, what are solutions that we recommend you to do is you should strengthen drawing and document control through digital systems, and also enhance training and competency development for supervisors and workers. Other than that, you also need to implement regular internal audits and benchmarking against best practices. Then lastly, you should strengthen QA and QC inspections and enforce corrective actions.
I see. Thank you for your explanation. So we are coming to the end of the podcast. So me represent for the HeXaStone Construction Center Berhad want to thanks for you to four of you guys to help us on explaining about the QMS, TQM, and the safety and health environment, and also giving us the solution and the current challenges in the current practice. So I hope we can meet again in another platform for what? Okay. So we end our podcast today. Thank you everyone.
Thank you very much.